Hello friends, this video Trigonometry part 3 is brought to you by ExamFear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched Trigonometry part 1 and 2. Now let's understand radian measure. 1 radian is equal to angle subtended at center by an arc of length 1 unit in a circle whose radius is 1 unit. So we have the circle, the radius of the circle is 1, so this guy is 1. So now in such case, if there is an arc of 1, this is the arc, I'll write arc. If the arc length is 1, radius length is 1, so whatever angle you get, theta, this theta is equal to 1 radian. So radian is nothing but the angle subtended by a circle at the center of the circle by the arc of length 1 when the radius of the circle is also 1. So in this case, if we take any circle whose radius is r, so then we have to take an arc of length r. So whatever you get is radian. So it can be either 1 and 1 or r and r. If you take any circle of the radius r, then the arc, if you take of the same length r, whatever angle you get from these two endpoints of the arc at the center, you join those 2 points to get an angle, and that angle is called 1 radian. Here also we had this circle of radius 1. Now we drew an arc of length 1, and we took 2 endpoints of this arc, and whatever angle we got is theta. In the same angle, we can draw more 1 radian. For example, if you assume that this arc length is 1, this total length is 1. So here also, if you join these points to the center, so what you get, this one is also theta. Theta is again here also 1 radian. Here are some points to be noted. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and r is equal to 1 here, so this becomes 2 pi. Now that means 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radian, correct? This is why, because see, for arc length I'll say arc length and I'll say radian here. So if arc length is equal to 1, the radian is equal to 1, because I'm saying when the arc length is 1, what you get is 1 radian. If the arc length is 2, the radian is equal to 2. Similarly, the arc length is 2 pi. So that is, if you start from here and you come here again back, that is 2 pi. That is the circumference of the circle. So for arc length 2 pi, the radian is equal to 2 pi. And that's why we have to, circumference is 2 pi. So one total revolution is equal to 2 pi radian. That means if you take this full angle, and I say theta dash, then theta dash is nothing but 2 pi radian. Also, please note, there is a formula, theta is equal to L by R. This is a very crucial formula, and we use this. And here theta is not in degree, theta is in radian. Theta is radian, correct? And theta, when you say in degree, this is not correct. I'll show you an example to prove this. But please note, this formula is very crucial. Theta is equal to L by R. So when I say L is nothing but the arc length and R is the radius. So when L is equal to R, that means in this case when L is equal to R, so theta is equal to L by R, L is equal to R, so I'll say R by R is equal to 1. So in this formula also, if you see, so angle subtended by an arc of length R in the circle of radius R is nothing but 1 radian, correct? So this theta is in radian. We'll use this formula. Please make a note of this formula. Theta is equal to L by R, where theta is in radian and L is the length of the arc and R is the radius of the circle. So we'll take some example. Let's draw 1.5 radian and minus 2 radian. So just to save my time, I have got the circle ready. Let's suppose this is R. This is the R, and then we know theta is equal to L by R, correct? So here we'll say 1.5 is equal to L by R. So L should be 1.5 R, correct? So in positive direction we have to take this 1.5 R. So if it is 1.5 R and we join this point, whatever angle we get is nothing but 1.5 radian. Correct? What we have done here? Theta is equal to L by R. We know R, we know theta. Theta is equal to 1.5 radian. So we got L. L is equal to 1.5 R. So we have taken the arc of length 1.5 R and then we have drawn the angle. So we got this is 1.5 radian. Now in the case of minus 2 radian, theta is equal to L by R and theta is nothing but minus 2 is equal to L by R. So L is equal to minus 2R. So here we have to take R in the negative direction. So let's suppose this is minus 2R, this is 2R. So negative is minus 2R. So this is the point. So this angle theta 2, I'll make theta 2 here. So theta 2 is nothing but minus 2 radian. We have seen how we have plotted the graph. So we use theta is equal to L by R, where theta is in radian, and L by R we know. So we found the L, and then depending on positive or negative, we have taken the arc length and we got the angle. Now let's try to find the relationship between degree and radian, because we have to keep converting degree to radian and radian to degree in our exercises. So we know that 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. Please remember this. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. How we got this? So we know that 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. Because in a circle we have seen that if you take the angle from here to here, this particular angle, this angle is equal to 2 pi radian, and in degree form this angle is also equal to 360 degree. So we can say, since both are equal, we can say 2 pi radian is equal to 2 pi radian. I'll say 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Please note radian and degree is crucial here. I'll write it once again. 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So we can say 1 radian is equal to 360 degree by 2 pi, and this is nothing but 180 by pi. And when you write pi is equal to 22 by 7, you get 57 degree 16 minutes. Similarly, we do the same thing. So if you want to find degree, so 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian, and 1 degree is equal to 2 pi by 360 radian. So if you solve this, you get pi by 180 radian, and you put pi is equal to 22 by 7, you get this value. You need not remember this value, but you should remember that 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. Just logical thing, because in a circle this is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree, and using this we can find anything. So if you know radian, you find degree. If you know degree, you find radian. So we have some conversions here. For 360 degree is equal to pi by 6, 45 degree is equal to pi by 4, 60 degree is equal to pi by 3, 90 degree is equal to pi by 2, 180 degree is equal to pi, 270 is 3 pi by 2, and 360 degree is equal to 2 pi. This is very remember this, because we will be using this very often. We can derive also. If you see, when we have this formula 2 pi is equal to 360, logical formula, because 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So we can divide this by, we want to make it, we want to find 30 degree. So if you divide by 12, so what you get, pi by 6 is equal to 30. Let's suppose we want to find 90 degree. So again we use the same formula, 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. So we'll divide by 4 both sides. So you get pi by 2 is equal to, pi by 2 radian is equal to 90 degree. Please note, this is very crucial. You can't say 2 by this radian and degree is very crucial, else the formula doesn't hold true. Also, if you want to find this, so again we use the same formula, 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree, and then we divide the whole thing by 2. So what you get is pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So I think the relation is clear. This is the most important relation. I'll write once again, 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. This is the most important relation. If you know this relation, you can find all these formulas. Just remember, and if you don't remember, just imagine that in one circle, big circle, this whole angle is equal to 2 pi radian. Also, the whole angle we can also say is 360 degree. So we can equate 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. And we get the formula. Let's see degree to radian formula. 1 radian measure is equal to pi by 80 into degree measure. So we have already seen 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. We can remember this circle, this whole angle is 2 pi radian, and this is also equal to 360 degree. So we say radian measure, whatever you have in radian measure, is equal to pi by 180 into degree measure. Similarly, degree measure is equal to 180 by pi into radian measure. You need not remember this formula, just if you remember this, that's more than enough. For example, we have to convert 60 degree to radian. So if you say 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian, 1 degree is equal to 2 pi by 360 radian, or 60 degree is equal to 2 pi by 360 into 60. So this is radian, and what comes out to be, this is 6, this is 3, that is pi by 3 radian. Also, if you want to convert pi into degree, so we know that 2 pi is equal to 360 degree, the second case, or pi is equal to 360 by 2 degree is equal to 180 degree. So we have found 360 degree is equal to pi by 3 radian and pi is equal to 180 degree. Just need to write this formula and we can derive. No need to get confused by these formulas. Just remember this formula. Thank you. Visit ExamFear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.